how to fix Windows Security Center service cannot be started in Windows 11 or 10. So this is the pop-up that normally appears when you face this problem. So in order to solve this out, what you can do is hold your Windows button and click on R. And after you do that, type REGEDIT on the text box right here and click on OK. And after you reach this page, click on Local Machine option right here, click on it, and then go to System. Now click on Current Control Set, the third option right here, and then go to the last option inside the current control set, the Services option, click on it, and inside Services search for WSC SVC. You can see it right here in the option, and click on the Start right here, right click on it, and then click on Modify. And make sure to set the value data as either 2 or 3 or 4, and then click on OK. And then what you need to do is get out from the registry editor and then restart your PC. And then after you restart the PC, go to the search bar again and search for services.msc. Click on enter, and then you can see the Security Center option right here. Right click on it, go to Properties, and make sure that the startup type is automatic, and then click on Start right here, and then click on OK. And then your problem of appearing the same pop-up about Windows Security Center service can be started will likely be fixed. So that's how you do it. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Thank you very much.